Let's start. Now, our topic is constants, variables, and data types. First, we have to know what is the character set. In programming, various characters are used and they are classified into different types. What are they? They are letters, digits, special characters, and white spaces. Okay. What are the character sets? It includes letters from uppercase A to uppercase Z and lowercase a to lowercase z. Then digits 0 to 9. Special characters as comma, full stop, semicolon, question mark, single quote, double quote, etc. Then white spaces. What are the white spaces? Like blank space, horizontal tab, carriage return, new line, form feed. Next, tokens. What is token? In a passage of text, individual words and punctuation marks are called as tokens. Similarly, in a C program, the smallest individual units are known as C tokens, and they are classified into 6 types: keywords, identifiers, constants, strings, special symbols, and operators. Now, what is keyword? Keywords are specific terms that have already been defined for the C compiler or more generally for the computer. These keywords can be used as variable names because doing so would mean trying to give them a new meaning which the computer does not permit. Next, keywords are also known as reserved words. They are reserved. In C, there are only 32 keywords available. What are they? These are the keywords. Okay. Next, identifier. What is identifier? Identifiers are sequence of characters that act as names for various elements like variables, functions, arrays, pointers, and structures. In the context of the C programming language, you can think of an identifier as a name chosen by the user to uniquely identify a particular item. Next, what are the rules? An identifier may consist of letters, either lowercase a to z or uppercase a to z, and numbers from 0 to 9. Special characters are not formatted, with the exception of the underscore character. Underscore is also a special character, but it can be used. Spaces can be used when creating an identifier. It must start with either a letter or an underscore. Next, identifiers can't share names with keywords as these are reserved for specific functions such as printf, scanf, integer, character, structs, etc. Using a keyword as an identifier will result in a compiler error. Each identifier must be unique within its language. The C language is case sensitive, that is, uppercase name and lowercase name. They are treated as distinct identifiers. Next, what are the constants? It is the fixed value that do not change during the execution of a program, and they are classified into 2 types: numeric constant and character constants. Numeric constants is also classified into 2 types: integer or real, and character constants are also 2 types: single character constant or string constant. Next, what are the variables? A variable is a data name that may be used to store a data value. Unlike constants that remain unchanged during execution of a program. Next, what are data types? In C programming, data types specify the types of values that a variable can store and the operations that can be executed on those values. They are essential for memory management and help establish the range of values that a variable can represent. What is the classification of the data types? One is system-defined data types, another is user-defined data types. In system-defined data types, there are 2 types of data types: One is primary, one is derived. The primary data types are Boolean, character, integer, float, double, and void. In derived data types, these are functions, arrays, and pointers. In irrelevant data types, these are classified into 4 categories: type def, enum, union, and structure. Let's continue with Boolean data type. Its size is 8-bit or 1 byte, and its range is from either 0 or 1 or true or false. Then character data type. Its size is also 8 bits or 1 byte. As the number of bits is 8, so the number of data is 2 to the power 8, that is 256. And the character data type is also classified into 2 categories. One is unsigned, another is signed. In unsigned case, the value ranges from 0 to 255. In signed case, the value ranges from -128 to 127. Let's discuss about how we can calculate this. As we know, in decimal, the digits are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. The smallest digit is 0 and the largest digit is 9. If we take the minimum value of 3 digits, then we can choose 0, 0, 0. For maximum, its value is 999. As the smallest digit is 0, then we can put the 3-digit minimum number is 0, 0, 0. And as the largest digit is 9, then the 3-digit maximum can be 999. In the same way, in binary case, the maximum digit is 1 and the minimum digit is 0. If someone will ask the minimum value of 3 digits with binary, then we can choose 0, 0, 0 and the maximum is 1, 1, 1. In the same case, the size of character is 8 bits. That means we can choose 8 boxes. For minimum, we can put 0 in all the boxes. Now we are converting it into decimal format. First, in the right side, it is 2 to the power 0, then 2 to the power 1, 2 to the power 2, 2 to the power 3, and so on. Now we are multiplying 0 into 2 to the power 0, 0 into 2 to the power 1, 0 into 2 to the power 2, so on. And the values are 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Let's add them. The answer is 0. So the minimum value of a single character is 0. Let's calculate with the maximum. Let's check the 8 boxes and put all the boxes with 1. Then same 2 to the 0 into 1, 2 to the 1 into 1, 2 to the 2 into 1, and so on. And the values are 1, 2, 4, 6, 16, 32, 64, and 128. Let's add them. And the value is 255. Total number of data from 0 to 255 is 256. When we use the sign value, we can take both positive and negative. So 256 by 2 is 128. So there are 128 data from negative and 128 data from positive side. And here is the result. Next, integer data type. Its size is 16 bits or 2 bytes. In some compilers, it may be 32 bits or 4 bytes. And the number of data is 2 to the power 16, that is 65536. And the range from 0 to 65535 and -32768 to +32767. Let's calculate. As the number of bits is 16, so we can take 16 boxes. In the same way, we can put 0 for minimum and converting them into decimal, then the value is 0. In maximum case, we take 1 and we are converting it into decimal. The value is 65535. Then the minimum number is 0 and the maximum number is 65535. The total number of data is 65536. If we use the signed values, then it will be divided into two types. In negative side, there are 32768, and positive side, there are 32768.